I am R.K. Rao from Manboom Construction Company. We are developing properties in and around Hyderabad, Secunderabad for the last 18 years. CREDAI is conducting this property show with in association with Radio Mirchi. Most of our CREDAI members have their presence in the this property show. With the association of CREDAI Mirchi, we hope this property is going to be a very good success, and it offers for the whole range of products to the prospective customers, from affordable housing to the high-end villas. So customers have a choice and the range of products to select whatever they want from, and this is a show which also showcases the CREDAI principles of transparency, the code of conduct. The prospective buyers can approach CREDAI in case they have they need any information with regards to the properties, or if we are also going to constitute a redressal forum to resolve the issues between the customers and the developers shortly. So CREDAI is trying to bring in a lot of transparency and professionalism into the real estate industry. The efforts have already started, and CREDAI has about 8,000 developers as members across the nation, about more than 100 associations, and in future I hope every developer in India who is going to be in the business of real estate is going to be a member of the CREDAI, which is going to be a win-win situation for the developers and the buyers, because CREDAI takes care of the many issues concerning the entire gamut of issues in the real estate industry. Radio Mirchi is associated with us to conduct this property show, but there are about 45 developers are participating in the property show to showcase their wares. This is on 7th and 8th of January, that is tomorrow and the day after, at N Convention Center near Shilparamam. See, the whole endeavor of CREDAI is to bring in lots of transparency, to improve the relationship between the customers and the developers, and as I was mentioning, we are going to start a consumer redressal forum by the CREDAI in case of any issues between the developers and the buyers. This forum is going to resolve them.